Hey guys, welcome back. So we have been waiting for this little package from JD Customs USA. Remember, if you use Brian Built as a promo code, that is Brian Built, you can save some money on that. And anyway, so this is all the titanium hardware that we order for our Lotus. Our Lotus is actually going to be unveiled on Cars on First on April 25th at downtown Fort Myers. So we're actually excited for that, and we're actually excited that JDC was able to get this in time for us to do the unveiling. So we're gonna do like a little unboxing and then like a install video of all the products. But like I said, if you go to jdc.com, JD Customs USA, and you put Brian Built as a promo code, you'll save some money on your order. So, I mean, all this hardware, it's all really nice and packaged. I already see that already, and I'm really in love with that. That's going to be really cool. So I'm just going to spread it out over here, and so you guys can see all the titanium hardware that we got for this thing. So this is the unboxing, and as you can see, these plates over here, they're custom made. You can order this at whatever size you want, and you can put whatever custom and whatever color, anything that you wish. You just reach out to them and they'll make it happen. So got all these titanium hardware, everything. I have a whole list of where basically everything goes, but basically it's just all the hardware, and you get this really cool little card like that. And the guys are right there. So I'm really happy for guys, and I'm really proud of the JDC family. They're always been there for me, and it's been so many years now. I think 8+ years I've been in that family. But guys, this is what it's look. It shows the burnt titanium hardware because it's gonna go really well with the red. So we're gonna go ahead and install. We're gonna have to remove first the top, and then basically, so we can install all our hardware. This has to come out, so this basically will just tilt all the way back. So let's get this top off, and then we'll be able to just tilt it all the way back so we can start working on this thing. I found the way. I found the way. I found the way how to work on the lights. Good. All right, so we got the clam out. So now all this, basically, a lot of these hardware that you see on this side right over here, it's gonna get titanium. So this is gonna get titanium, this. We have a bunch of titanium for this thing. So we're gonna go ahead and start on the project right now. I'm really excited, as you can see. It looks really cool, and I can't wait to unveil it and show it in front of everybody with this thing up here. It's just, it looks so amazing. So let's get to it. All right, we're gonna take these 3 over here. We're gonna go find the correct hardware, and I'm just gonna replace them. So this is what's gonna go here. Guys, look at how beautiful these things look like. Look at that burnt titanium, and this is like beautiful quality too. And that's what you get at JDC, guys. So we got a bunch of other titanium to do, but just the start of those 3. This looks freaking amazing already, so can't wait. All right, so the next thing is we have is these right over here. They're gonna go and burn titanium, like so. Here is the soft. Look at that. Look at that hardware. It looks so good already. Just these little things. Look at that. So we're gonna replace these 2 now. All right, next up is these. and that's gonna be awesome because that's gonna like show all the details, especially when we have this thing up like so. Look at the difference just by doing that. That's so crazy. Looks so good. Alright, the next thing is these three right here. This one right here. It's looking so good. So much titanium. Alright, next thing is these four little nuts right over here that hold the computer. So we're gonna replace them. There it is. That looks so freaking cool. These are the brackets that hold the pressure regulator. Look at that. Just look at it. So cool. Giving you a little up close how it looks. And already look at that. That's already a huge difference. So just little things like this, guys, just completely convert your build. Like, it looks so good. All right, we got these little four bolts right there that holds the pulley, and we're gonna get them. And obviously we're gonna put titanium. I still have to do a couple of things for this. I'm just putting all the titanium hardware right now, and then I'm gonna do the details later on. But it's gonna look great. All right, we're gonna do this one, but we have to push this one all the way so I can take a little bit of slack so I'll be able to replace the screw. All right, on the end of the wings is these babies, and they're gonna go in burnt titanium as well. So I think that's gonna look really cool in burnt titanium. All right, here is how they look. It looks so good. Oh, good. So the next thing says here. So these holes were already here, and I can't really do anything here because they're just too close. So we're gonna put titanium bolts on here. Same for this side. So I think it's gonna look really cool in here. That is looking so good. So good. So a simple one is going to be right over here, and we're going to replace these with this JDC. So obviously titanium, burnt titanium bath caps. So it's pretty cool, and it's gonna look really good. It's gonna give that special touch. If you see me always using gloves, it's because when you're handling titanium, it's best to use gloves. That way your oils and stuff like that doesn't ruin the finish. So always use gloves. I mean, just that little thing looks so much cooler. So the next ones is gonna be this little bolts right here, and those are gonna go titanium as well. I have a plate that's gonna go over here, or maybe on that side, something like that. But I think that's gonna tie in all the titanium in the engine bay over here. So I think that's gonna be really cool. Big difference. All right, we're coming almost to the end of everything, so we're gonna replace these with burnt titanium as well on both sides. All right, the next thing is getting all these 4 bolts and putting them in titanium. So yeah, just a little bit of that. So we're gonna put that all over. All right, last thing is this precious thing. And then basically, as you can see, supercharged Lotus Elise 101, and it's JDC. So this is gonna go right over here. So as soon as you get in the car, you see this beautiful masterpiece. And like I said, matches all these titanium. It's gonna be really nice. That's it. This is our final creation. Thanks to JD Customs for being a great sponsor. Thanks to Cars on First for today, Jonka and everybody. But here's our car. Here's our Lotus. Right here she is in full function. So we got all the titanium here. We took the top back, titanium, all the titanium there. It's looking so good. So good. But thank you guys, subscribe, and thank you for JDC Customs. If you need anything, any titanium or anything, hit up JDC and get your custom titanium and everything. They got everything hardware that you can think about, any color too.